potatoes.
This is the story of potato loving. Potato loving.
Another potato. And maybe even another potato. Now I'm in the dark and I still like potatoes. I am in the bathroom and I still like potatoes. I am looking at a number and I still like potatoes. I am looking at a hole and I still like potatoes. Potato hole, potato. I like potatoes no more. Now I like tomatoes.
Sunday morning I felt afraid. Someone leaving his world today. I looked low, I looked high, I only missed one friend.